This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 30th of September. October kicks off tomorrow. That's a great month, and the rain is gone. We had the sun beginning to break out in many spots this afternoon. Let's go to some of the sky cam shots, and by golly, it is sunny at Trussville. That's our sky cam at Chalkville Mountain Road, just northeast of Birmingham, after some clouds and rain this morning. Chehaw State Park, beginning to see some patches of blue sky there in East Alabama. And on the Alabama Gulf Coast, a partly sunny afternoon down at Gulf Shores. That's view looking west from high atop the Phoenix All Suites. Little impulse that brought the rain this morning is off to the east. Most of the really energetic weather is up north, coming across the northern states. And you can see how the sky is beginning to clear nicely. That's a visible shot, a satellite shot across the state this afternoon. In fact, for Birmingham here, the sky mostly sunny as I do this about 3 o'clock. Temperatures are in the 70s for the most part. Haleyville, the one exception, they're sitting at 66 with some lingering clouds. Birmingham at 76. We might see 80 today with the sun out now. We'll see low 80s tomorrow. Watch warning map around the nation. Pretty quiet. Still some high wind issues over parts of Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming. Severe weather not expected today around the nation. And here's the rain for the next 5 days. Across our state, this is valid through Saturday morning, and quite frankly, I don't think we see any more rain. This counts the rain we had this morning. We'll probably be dry through midday Saturday, but the weekend should turn wet, and we'll take a look at the timing on that here in just a minute. Tropical weather, we have a new tropical storm by the name of Jerry. That thing is out in the middle of nowhere, and it's going to stay in the middle of nowhere. Going to loop around the central Atlantic, far, far from land. This is a wave in the Caribbean. That's the visible satellite shot of that thing south of Jamaica. Here's modeling on that. That's Invest 97L, and you can see that will be cutting across the Yucatan. And the question is, will it kind of hang out in the Bay of Campeche and go to Mexico, or will it be picked up maybe by a trough that will affect the Southeast United States this weekend? Interesting possibilities. We'll keep an eye on that. And really, none of the global models developed this. I don't think it'll be a big issue, but it's always something to watch. And you can see that some of the tropical models do ramp this up to a tropical storm in a few days. If this gets a name, it would be the K-storm Karen. We'll watch that. Analogs. Now, this is just analogs. This is looking at systems that originated in the same place with similar upper air pattern. And really, it's got two camps. Some of the systems go into Central America and Mexico. Some kind of pull northeast up toward the Florida Peninsula. But really, nothing of that area has come up toward Alabama. We do note that Carla originated in that spot back in 1961. That was a whopper of a hurricane that came up on the middle Texas coast. In fact, that's the top analog. So just something to watch. We'll check modeling. This is the 12Z GFS. Valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. The core of the jet is north of here. And down below that, we think the day will be partly to mostly sunny. Temperatures will likely exceed 80, and the moisture axis stays west of the state over Louisiana and Arkansas, where a few showers could break out. Same thing Wednesday. Any showers should be west of the state, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana. Highs, low to mid-80s. Same thing Thursday. And Friday looks dry. So as you can see, we'll leave a dry forecast in through Friday with partly sunny days and fair nights. And hey, look at that thing out there over the Plain States. That's a 999 millibar low. And again, if this were a little deeper in the season, that would be a raging blizzard for parts of South Dakota and Nebraska. It'll be close. There might be some folks that get some snow out of that thing. It's something to watch. And then this is Saturday as we start the weekend. This is back in the upper levels. You can see that trough axis west of the state, and down below that, that deep surface low is south of Minneapolis-St. Paul, still under 1,000 millibars with a trailing front down through Fort Smith, Arkansas, and Waco, Texas. And really, this is going to be a little slower on this run. It's got the day Saturday still relatively dry, so hopefully for daytime events, college football, whatever, we'll get that in rain-free. This is Saturday night just after midnight. 1 a.m. Sunday, to be exact. Rain moves into the state. So, again, on this run, it looks like we might escape with no rain during the day Saturday. The rain arrives Saturday night. And then this is Sunday at midday. That deep surface lows over eastern Canada. And still rain falling over a pretty good chunk of the state, especially the eastern half. So Saturday night, Sunday, we'll mention a good chance of showers. Could there be some thunder? Yes. Don't expect any severe weather. And again, with a system like that, we just wonder, if anything is down there in the southern Gulf, could it maybe be pulled up into that to enhance the rain? For now, we'll discount that idea, but just something to think about. And a week from today, all of that's gone and we are dry. And the following day, this is Tuesday, the 8th of October. Ooh, look at the cool air settling in here. Like to see those nice blue and green colors. Those are negative temperature anomalies. And just maybe we'll get us down in the 40s by the middle part of next week. Won't that feel good? Go out there a little deeper. This is the 12th of October. This is Saturday, October 12th. Big trough over the east. Batch of showers coming in here and colder air. And on the 16th, a nice continental air mass covers the deep south. That'll be cool and dry and cold up in the northeast. Look at those low thickness values up there. And again, that is a sign of the times as we are getting deeper into fall. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News, either the live stream or the television side this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.